I hope you watched this week's presentation at GTC 25, where Jensen Huang explained the evolution of the CPU to the GPU and how it has grown so dramatically over the last couple years. This will give you some insight as to what is going to happen in the future and who the growth stocks of the future are going to be. What you need to look for, as in the past, is companies that are growing their revenue in excess of 20% per quarter, per year, over the last 3 years. And then through the access of data, we can determine which are the companies that Wall Street believes are going to continue to grow their revenues in excess of 20% over the future. Those growing revenues will be reflected eventually in growth in earnings. Those growth in earnings will then be reflected in growth in stock prices. I think it's pretty well determined that there's a good possibility that the Amazons, the Googles, the Microsoft, and the Metas who are spending the money on the GPUs are going to be a big part of it. But as investors, we want to also take advantage of those companies that are going to give us greater returns. And they're also going to be identified by researching the data and finding the growth in revenues. I've found some. I'm not sure that they're going to be the big winners, but they have the potential. And I share that with my followers, my tribe, on my tell sheet. I want to make that tell sheet available to you so that you can look and see who is growing their revenues at 20%, who is growing their earnings per share at 20%, and who are going to be the companies who are going to give us the opportunity to outperform the market. Past performance is never a guarantee for future results, but it gives us an indication. It gives us an idea of the trends. So I'm inviting you to come to Best of Us Investors, who is sponsoring this video, and take a look at my tell sheet. My tell sheet breaks this all down on the 60 stocks that I follow that are involved in the AI revolution. And you see if, in fact, this can help you become a better investor. I give you no guarantees. I just want to share my findings so that you can make better investment decisions. I'm using AI to analyze their income statements, their balance sheets, their cash flow reports, their earnings statements, their 10Ks, and the analyst predictions to help me give some insight is what is the probability of their price going to be at the end of 25, the end of 26, and the end of 27, so that I can take advantage of this AI revolution. I'm paying the upfront costs. I'm buying the AI. I'm buying the software to give me insights, and then I'm sharing that cost with my tribe members. We're paying $19.95 a month, and I want you to have a free trial, 14 days to take a look at it, and then you decide if this can help you make better investment decisions in the future.